Now moving on to the latest from Pakistan, where former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has cleared yet another legal hurdle that could have kept him away from contesting the February 8th elections. The Islamabad High Court has acquitted the PML-N supremo in Al-Azizia reference case. The case was one of the two graft references that Nawaz was convicted in. He was acquitted in the Avenfield reference on the 29th of November, by the same court. Nawaz Sharif was imprisoned to 7 years in the Al-Azizia case back in 2018. The Sharif family was unable to justify the source of funds provided to set up Al-Azizia steel mills and his metal establishment in Saudi Arabia. The Islamabad High Court had declared him a proclaimed offender in the case in December 2020. After the IC announced the acquittal verdict, PML-N workers were seen celebrating outside the court, as others were seen cheering for the former Prime Minister. His brother and former Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said on X that his brother Nawaz had been vindicated once again, adding that sham cases created to disqualify a sitting Prime Minister are finally meeting their fate. The recent acquittals may keep Sharif away from prison, but they're not enough to allow him from contesting polls yet. Nawaz still remains disqualified from holding public office, an earlier ruling by the Pakistan Supreme Court that he has challenged in the top court. But there's still hope for him. Earlier this year, amendments were made to the Elections Act 2017, limiting the disqualification of lawmakers to 5 years. The amendment was enforced with a retrospective effect. The Supreme Court has decided to form a larger bench to determine once and for all whether disqualified leaders can contest polls in light of the amendments in the Elections Act.